Step into the 2018 Kia Stinger Base. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. Enjoy these notable features: 255 horsepower, 4 doors, 4-wheel ABS brakes, 8-way power adjustable driver's seat, air conditioning with dual-zone climate control, audio controls on steering wheel, automatic transmission, Bluetooth, clock, analog and compressor, intercooled turbo. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.